Hey guys, what's going on? LAOC Exotics here. We are shooting this Carrera GT. Today was a really good day. We went to Sunset GT earlier. We saw a whole bunch of cars. We ended up running into a 918 and a LaFerrari in Newport. And we shot the LaFerrari, and to end off the day, we're shooting this Carrera GT. So yeah, here is my camera. It's a Canon 6D Mark II. I have the 24-105 L lens. It's the second version. Yeah, so this car is owned by a man with the Instagram at JCHWA. He was kind enough to let us shoot the Carrera GT today. And yeah, so we chose a location out here, Newport Coast, just a nice hill backdrop. I'll put some photos on screen, and let me know if you guys want to see some more videos. Yeah.